In the past few years, video consumption has obviously skyrocketed. In fact, as of 2022, an average person is predicted to spend 100 minutes per day watching online videos. One proof is you watching this. But did you know that you can get paid up to $800 in free PayPal money or possibly even more just by watching videos? Sounds like the perfect job, right? And since we already know that video consumption will continue to increase in the years to come, there will be no shortage in terms of videos to watch. So sit back, enjoy, and watch till the end because there will be a bonus hack that you don't want to miss to maximize your earnings. After watching this whole video, you will be equipped to earn hundreds of dollars a day in free PayPal money just by watching videos on your couch. If you're thrilled about this online gig that you're about to learn, then give this video a big thumbs up so we'll know that you like these kinds of contents. Whether you just stumbled upon this video or you've been with me for a while now, I'd like to welcome you to the Online Money Girl channel. I am your online money girl and I teach people all over the world the newest ways to make free PayPal money online regardless of background and expertise. If you have some specific money-making trend you would like us to feature, drop it in the comments and I'll be sure to create a video just for you. While you're already there, click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always stay updated with the latest online money-making tips. Just like every method that I show you, this one is totally free. No hidden charges or registration fees. This is also available to everyone, whichever country you're from, as they operate in all time zones. Most importantly, this is totally beginner friendly. No special skills needed to do this one. This website, and don't worry, just keep watching, we'll be revealing the link real soon, lets you earn cash like free PayPal money or free gift cards, in-game rewards or cryptocurrencies by completing the daily activities you already love to do. By simply watching videos, you can win mind-blowing rewards in your free time right at the comfort of your home. Once you've collected enough points, you can exchange it for exciting gift card offers from your favorite retailers and apps like PayPal, Amazon, iTunes, Fortnite, Xbox, PS4, and so many others. No fees, no hassles, and no hidden terms. Without further ado, let me show you how it works by taking you to the homepage. This is what it looks like. To start, you can either click Start Earning on the left part or Sign Up at the top right. Either way, you will be taken to a registration page where you only need to key in your desired username, email, and create a password. An even easier way is to sign up with Google. Just by activating your email, you already get 10 free points. On the homepage, you'll find a list of rewards to choose from. There are tons of gift cards and I'm sure you can find one that suits you the most. There's an option for your favorite shop or service. For movie buffs, they have Netflix, Hulu, and Crunchyroll. If you're a gamer, you may want to choose Roblox, League of Legends, Nintendo, PlayStation, Xbox, GameStop, or Twitch. For fashionistas, there's Shine, H&M, Forever 21, New Look, Clarks, and Marks & Spencer. If you're looking for sporting goods or apparel, they have Nike, Adidas, and Under Armour to name a few. Other practical gift cards you can choose from are Starbucks, Domino's Pizza, Burger King, Subway, Taco Bell, and a lot more. If you're a frequent shopper, why not choose Target, Tesco, or Walmart? There's not enough time to mention all of the brands that offer gift cards. You can even sort them out per country as some of them are only available in a specific region. For a more universal reward, there's always Bitcoin or free PayPal money. Anyway, so much for that. Once you've picked a reward of your choice, you'll see a page where you can earn bonus points by completing surveys, playing games, or downloading apps. If you do that within the next 2 hours, you'll get double the amount of points. If you don't want to do that, it's okay. You can choose to skip. When you're back on the dashboard, you'll find that there are more ways than one to earn points, which can be converted to cash. As mentioned earlier, you can watch videos, and it's the easiest way to earn cash through this site. They also have various offers. Top offers, bonus and fast offers. Just pick one according to your liking. To make it more fun, they have daily and weekly challenges that you can complete for a bonus amount of points. You can earn them when you complete tasks at certain times of the day or week. For example, complete 3 offers today and you will receive an extra 15 points as a bonus to get you closer to your desired reward. Here are the top 5 ways to earn points. First is to complete offers. Do you play games, download apps, or watch videos? Of course you do. Everyone does. That is why this is the most popular way of earning rewards. Number 2 is by watching videos. Watching videos is the easiest way of earning rewards as it's quick and can also be treated as a background task. They allow you to leave the video playing in the background, come back, and collect your points. As you watch videos, your progress bar will increase. Once you've earned the amount of points from watching videos that are required for the challenge, the Claim Reward button will become clickable and the amount of points the challenge is worth will be added to your balance. Repeat the process for every video challenge to maximize your earning opportunities. Number 3 is to redeem cash codes. Everyone loves free points, and by redeeming cash codes, you can earn yourself a free amount of bonus points too. After redeeming a cash code, you can also get double the amount of points for any offer you complete within the hour from redeeming the code. New cash codes are available 2 days a week and can be found on their social media handles or by signing up to their mailing list. Number 4 is completing challenges. Earn a bonus amount of points for completing a specific amount of offer within a day or week by using their challenge system. This is what I've mentioned earlier. Number 5 is by inviting friends. Earn a free percentage for the offers and tasks that your friends complete by using their referral system. For each new person referred, the referrer will receive 5% of the referral's earnings for life. Referrers will only earn a percentage from the offers and surveys completed by the referral. This does not include bonus points though. You and your referral will both receive a bonus points of 100 when your referral earns 300 points within their first 30 days of joining. For example, if your referral signs up on the 1st of January, they have until the 1st of February to earn 300 points in order for you to both qualify for the bonus. The bonus will be added instantly once the criteria has been met. Before I give you the bonus tip for maximizing your earnings, I'd give you some time to give this video a big thumbs up to show you love making free PayPal money by watching videos, and leave a comment down below, especially if you find value in this one. Remember to smack the subscribe button and the notification bell icon so you'll always be updated with the latest online money making trends. This is the most passive way and has the biggest potential to earn in this platform, and that is to sign up for their affiliate program. Join their influencer network and earn money by simply promoting our service to your audience. Once you do, you can start promoting right away using your own unique referral link. Then, when someone uses your link to sign up, complete tasks, and redeem rewards, you get paid. How cool is that? Aside from those, you also get perks like high conversion rate and individual support from their dedicated account manager. When your audience refer their own friends, you will not only get paid for that, but also get paid 5% lifetime commission from the influencer friends that you invite. You will also have your own dashboard that shows you the statistics and information you need to optimize the way you promote to your audience. You get paid more based on how your promotions perform, and you can track it all from the dashboard. So before I forget, just go to this website. It's www.cashio.co. Sign up, watch videos, complete tasks and challenges, or maximize all of the ways that you can earn by becoming an affiliate and promote them to your audience. It might not be overnight, but it can surely generate you a stream of income on the side. If you have or would like to give Cashio a try, let us know about your experience in the comments so others can benefit from them as well. I'd love it if you give this video a big thumbs up after you pound that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with the latest money-making videos. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next video.